Hello everyone, it's me, Simeon, and today we will be fixing a Samsung Galaxy S4 4G because it's an LTE version of the Galaxy S4. So we of course begin with removing the back panel, removing the battery, which is easy and you can do it by dropping the phone. But in this case we do not want to drop the phone. Now we unscrew the screws, all 9 of them.
This frame itself is not that bad, but this one is just a little better. It looks to be original, that's true, so sure.
Also, what I did now is left the original audio from the stream. So enjoy, I guess. There we go. I'm using my fingernails to remove the frame from the display because it's easier than the pry tool.
For the heart thing. Come on, there we go. You know, return to ding the screen if it is bored.
Now I'm removing the board and stuff to test the display. I will do the stuff later. Since you know, if the screen is cooked, I cannot return the display if I do crap on it. So I just need to do the board to do a quick test to see if it works in the first place, and then we will do the advanced test later on.
Whatever. We got that sorted out.
Here's the new screen. And the board's going in.
Let me just plug in the battery. Not the battery, the screen. Or also the battery. Except this thing has some, at least a little charge in it. I don't think so, but it might.
But as it turns out, the battery was completely cooked
in there for some reason.
And I had to use isopropyl alcohol to glue it. By the way, I tested the screen later for a different battery that was charged and the screen was fine. That's why you're watching this video. And yeah, I even used a knife to remove it, which I do not recommend, but why the port is glued into the phone in the first place? At least it's not as bad as on phones like the S7 where you really can't replace it without removing the screen, and removing the screen is basically a 99% chance of killing the screen without proper tools, which basically no one has.
And the earpieces, of course.
And of course, now I transferred every single tiny component to the new frame, such as the earpiece mesh, the tiny thermal pad, the vibration motor, the headphone jack, and I hate the guy who was cutting freaking trees in the background. Gotta glue down using glue, and I even transferred the original like IMEI sticker or whatever to the new frame, so it's original.
There.
Kinda, not really.
Now you can actually put on the new frame because.
And now we are going to reassemble you with screws, the speaker. Screws. All of the screws. So I later had to remove the screws and put in the screw that I forgot to put in earlier.
It's still doing.
And I hate the guys that were working outside at the time. But there we go, it turns on. Oh nice. So I charged the battery. Of course I had to factory reset it because it wasn't factory reset because the old screen was, well, cooked. And since it's like Android 4 or 5, the little thing known as an FRP lock didn't exist yet. It wasn't invented. Well, kind of was invented, but this phone is too old to know it.
System now.
It didn't exist when this phone was in use
Now we wait.
and released.
So, took damn about forever.
Yeah, the factory reset took them about forever. And then this also took them about a little less than a forever to agree all the crap that wants me to agree. And then welcome to testing, where I test all the functionality of the phone to see if it works fully and not partially. Of course, the last thing to do was put on the back cover, and there we
The phone
go.
is obviously fully functional. Now,
The peel.
the flip or what?
The peel. And there we go. Put it into the case, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.